you're looking at consumer sentiment data, the amount of times that people mention tariffs has significantly increased because everybody's saying, okay, maybe inflation's coming down, but once these tariffs kick in, that could affect inflation later. So people's expectations of inflation are continuing to rise right now. What's interesting is this was the second lowest reading on consumer sentiment. The worst of it, you would think was a really bad time, like a 2008, a 2001. It wasn't. It was actually 2022. It was actually the lowest reading on consumer sentiment. And that did not turn into that self-fulfilling prophecy where everybody stopped spending and it didn't cause a recession. So it's not to say that this can't always happen. And I just haven't seen it translate into the hard data. You are seeing inflation coming down. You're seeing GDP numbers are strong. Earnings are strong. So until that actually translates, I don't actually think that that will necessarily become the self-fulfilling prophecy everybody's so worried about.
Isn't it just a matter of time before it translates? I'm not trying to rain on your parade, because I'm glad you're bringing this more positive spin to to this whole thing.
She's sitting in the silver lining chair.
Exactly.
So.
But it is just a matter of time before that pulled forward inventory runs out, which a lot of people said may already, and tariffed inventory gets on the shelves, and Walmart is going to start passing on the cost to consumers. I mean, it's just a matter of time before inflation goes higher.
It can be. That's the concern, right? So that's what people are trying to weigh out. Is there a higher risk of a recession if these tariffs go through and that does cause more inflation? Yes. But also, if it isn't as bad as people expect, or if some of these businesses are able to absorb some of it, which what we talked about yesterday is Walmart may be able to absorb more of this than they are saying. So I think that's the question, is what actually goes through? I think people are pricing in a worst case scenario than may actually come to fruition. That's the real question.